President William Ruto has orchestrated a strategic reshuffle of his cabinet, signaling a fresh wave of changes aimed at strengthening his administration. The most notable adjustment sees Sports Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen reassigned to the powerful Interior Ministry, filling the vacancy left by Kithure Kindiki, who recently assumed the role of Deputy President. The announcement, delivered on Thursday by Head of Public Service Felix Koskei, reflects a recalibration of key roles within the government. Murkomen's transfer underscores the president's trust in his abilities to oversee security and internal affairs, a critical portfolio in maintaining national stability. With Murkomen's move, Salim Mvurya has been shifted from his role in the Investments, Trade, and Industry Ministry to take charge of the Youth Affairs, Creative Economy, and Sports Ministry. This change positions Mvurya to lead initiatives targeting youth empowerment and the development of Kenya's growing creative and sports sectors. In a further notable development, former Nakuru Governor Lee Kinyanjui has been nominated to take over the Trade Ministry, succeeding Mvurya. Kinyanjui's nomination introduces a seasoned political leader into the fold, with expectations that he will leverage his experience to invigorate trade and investment opportunities in the country. These changes reflect President Ruto's efforts to ensure that key government roles are occupied by individuals poised to drive his administration's vision. The reshuffle is not only a response to shifting political dynamics, but also a bid to streamline governance and enhance service delivery. It highlights the delicate balance of maintaining continuity while infusing fresh energy into critical ministries. Observers will be watching closely as the appointees settle into their new roles, particularly Murkomen, who now carries the weight of ensuring security and effective coordination of government functions. Similarly, Kinyanjui's performance in the Trade Ministry will be pivotal as the country seeks to bolster its economic growth and global trade relations. The cabinet reshuffle serves as a reminder of the evolving nature of governance and the president's focus on aligning leadership with his administration's priorities.